Another Arabic lesson. We are on lesson 9 today, and today we'll be learning how to use more prepositions in, on, and under, along with possession. So, how to say Muhammad's pen, Muhammad's bag, etc. And these are the tools that we are going to need for today. As usual, we show you what we need so that we can learn them and then apply them. So the word for on is ala, under is tahta, backpack is haqibatun, and apple is tuffahatun. So let's try and apply these words into what we are going to learn today. So possession. So here we have a pen, and the way to say a pen is qalamun. Now note how the ending is qalamun. So it's a tanween. So the only difference is the changing in the last letter. So here we have Muhammad's pen. So the way it changes is qalamu Muhammadin. Qalamu Muhammadin. So whenever you hear this, people will know straight away that it is Muhammad's pen. Qalamu Muhammadin. So what happens is, from the first example of a pen, qalamun, it becomes qalamu. So from qalamun, it becomes qalamu, and then there is tanween kasra here, Muhammadin. So this is known as a majroor. So qalamu Muhammadin. So it's almost as if we have put a preposition word here. For example, min or ila, like we learnt in previous lessons. So this almost acts as a preposition. So qalamu Muhammadin. If we were to put another preposition there, would be ila Muhammadin or min Muhammadin. So it's almost the same rule. So it's a bit grammatical. So just note these changes. So we'll do a few more examples so that you're able to understand fully how to use it. So a pen, qalamun, Muhammad's pen, qalamu Muhammadin. Another example here, an apple, it is tuffahatun, tuffahatun. So Muhammad's apple, tuffahatu Muhammadin, tuffahatu Muhammadin. So it's the same rule, tuffahatu Muhammadin. So it changes from tuffahatun to tuffahatu Muhammadin. And lastly, a backpack is haqibatun, haqibatun. And now we will say Muhammad's backpack, haqibatu Muhammadin, haqibatu Muhammadin. I think you should understand by now. And now let's try to go to level 2 and work out how to use this in a conversation. So the teacher says to the student, is this Ahmad's pen? Is this Ahmad's pen? هل هذا قلم أحمد؟ هل هذا قلم أحمد؟ So remember, when they're speaking, it's a little bit different. You don't have to pronounce all the vowels. So you can just say هل هذا قلم أحمد؟ هل هذا قلم أحمد؟ So you wouldn't say قلم, because again we're learning possession. It's the same rule. هل هذا قلم أحمد? Because alif lam isn't there, you may get confused of why it's qalamu and why not qalamun. Because remember, qalamun means a pen. But when we're saying someone's pen, you will take off the alif lam and you just add the dhamma. هل هذا قلم أحمد? هل هذا قلم أحمد? So you can say it both ways. The student says, no, this is Muhammad's pen. No, this is Muhammad's pen. لا, هذا قلم محمد. لا, هذا قلم محمد. So again, you can say قلم محمد. But it's just easier to say قلم محمد. So لا, هذا قلم محمد. So yeah, هذا here means this is, and then قلم محمد, Muhammad's pen. And remember, هذا doesn't affect the vowel here. So لا هذا قلم محمد. Let's do another example. The teacher says to the student, where is Ahmed's book? أين كتاب أحمد? أين كتاب أحمد? Where is Ahmed's book? And the student replies, it is on Muhammad's desk. هو على مكتب محمد. هو على مكتب محمد. So now the only difference here is, as you see at the bottom, ala is a preposition word and changes the ending of the following word to a kasra. So if ala wasn't here, it would be huwa maktabu Muhammadin, meaning it is Muhammad's desk. But we are saying it is under Muhammad's desk. So we are adding ala. And remember, ala is a preposition. So it will have apply a kasra to the next word. So here it will be maktabi Muhammadin. So it's a little bit grammatical again, as we said from before. But just note these things. If there is a preposition before the possession, we call it mudaf, then it will come a kasra. So huwa ala maktabi Muhammadin. Let's do a few more examples just so you get the idea. So again, the teacher here says, where is Ahmed's backpack? أين حقيبة أحمد? أين حقيبة أحمد? It is under Muhammad's chair. It is under Muhammad's chair. هي تحت كرسي محمد. It is under Muhammad's chair. So it referring to the haqiba. So you can say Al-Haqibatu tahta kursiyi Muhammad. The backpack is under Muhammad's chair. So here just replaces you from repeating the word haqiba. So here the new word is tahta, tahta meaning under. So any object which is under another object, we can just use the word tahta. And the famous place where the word tahta here is used in a famous hadith is when the Holy Prophet ﷺ said, Al-Jannatu tahta aqdam al-ummuhat, that heaven lies under the feet of the mothers. So here's again, it's a very important word to note. And lastly, let's do one more example. The teacher says to the student, where is Ahmed's apple? أين تفاحة محمد? أين تفاحة محمد? The student replies, it is inside Ahmed's desk. هي في مكتب أحمد. هي في مكتب أحمد. So remember, when you're speaking, it's very different to when you're writing. But when you're writing, note these differences. So when there is a preposition, it will become a kasra, the following word. When we are doing preposition, over here, it will be a dhamma and then kasra tanween. So here, if we were just to say this on its own, hiya fi maktabi Ahmad, we wouldn't know what we're talking about. But because we're following a conversation, we're following the conversation of where is the apple. Just as we say in English, if someone asks you where is the apple, you'd say it is in the desk. So here, it's the same thing in Arabic. Aina tufahatu Muhammad, hiya fi maktabi Ahmad. Hiya meaning it is, referring to the feminine form. Note here tufahatu. This is called a ta marbuta, and this indicates that it is a feminine word. So here is also the feminine form here. Before we used the word huwa for pen, but tufahatu is a feminine word, so we use here. And that is pretty much it, guys. Jazakumullah and jazaa for watching. I hope and pray you benefited from this lesson. Keep learning. And if you have any suggestions, just write it in the comments below. Jazakumullah and jazaa. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.